What to look for when repairing a flat tire.
The Roadside Genius, and wanted to make a quick video to show you guys what I look for whenever I'm repairing a tire. So anytime I get somebody to call me and says, hey, I have a flat tire, a lot of the times they'll know the reason why. So this pertains mostly to when they don't know why it's flat. So this customer called in about a brand new vehicle that she was driving, and when it drives, it loses air quickly. So, or it loses some air, and she wasn't sure why. She told me to come out and check it out. And what I'm looking for, what I've already looked for, was first I aired the tire up to make sure it had good pressure, and then I messed with everything around it. So I touched the inside of the rim here, coated it with some liquid, and see if I could find any leaking around the area on the outside where the tire meets the rim. Could not find anything there on that side, so I flipped it over and checked the same side, the same thing on this side. So check to make sure there's no air leaking where the rim meets the tire. I did not see anything leaking, so the next thing was to check the valve stem. So put some fluid in the valve stem, pushed it up and down a couple of times to see if it was leaking. I did not see a leaking valve stem. So whatever's happening to this specific vehicle, it's actually leaking while it's in operation and not while it's sitting. So more than likely this customer just needs to take it to a shop or take it back to the dealership and let them give her a new wheel, because there's either something wrong with this one or the seal between the tire and the rim somewhere has sprung a leak, but it's only showing when the vehicle's in operation. So those are the three things to look for, aside from any obvious holes, right? That's another thing I did, is when I checked that, I also checked the tire and made sure that there were no obvious nails or holes in the tread that would be an obvious sign of it being flat. On this one, I did not find anything of that such, anything like that. So that's what I'm going to write this one off as. And that's that.